Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. A few days ago, we uploaded a short video on how you can grow organic garlic. And in today's video, I'll be talking in detail about that video. In today's video, I'll tell you that how you can grow new garlic plants with the garlic you already have at home. We'll also tell you what type of soil is the best, what type of weather is the best, and what kind of fertilizers you have to give to this plant. Here the garlic likes loamy soil, so it's the best to give a loamy fertile soil. Here the soil is composed of 50% garden soil and 20 to 30% of the soil is composed of coco and any kind of other compost. Here we have used kitchen waste compost and the rest you can give eggshell and banana peels. Here you have to take an individual bulb from the whole bulb. Then simply plant them into soil. Make sure that there is an interval of 4 to 6 inches between the two bulbs. Then water them. And within 7 days, you'll already notice some baby plants. Time to time remove the weeds, and if there are any damaged leaves, make sure that you throw them away. Weed removal is very important for this plant because if weeds are not removed, these plants will stay small and weak. Also, as the soil is already fertile, you don't have to add any fertilizers. But when your plant's age will be 1 month, you can give some kind of liquid manure. Onion and garlic peel manure are the best for this plant. If you wish, you can also crush the onion and garlic peels and then give it to your plants. But here my mom always gives liquid manure. Other than this, you can also give banana peel liquid manure or fish blood. Okay, now let me share with you guys how you can also make the manure. Make sure that you collect some garlic peels and onion peels. Then take a big jar and add some water in it. After adding enough water, make sure that you add a little bit of bioenzyme. If you do not have bioenzyme, it is okay not to give it too. Actually, bioenzyme makes it more effective. Then make sure that you close the lid and keep it in a shaded area for 5 to 7 days. We have earlier also uploaded many videos on this garlic plant. And do you know it's not only the bulb that's effective? The leaf is also very nutritious. And you can use the leaves in many dishes. Look at the color of this after 7 days. Make sure that you stir it well and do not forget to dilute this. After diluting it with enough water, you can water your plants with this. If you give liquid fertilizers to your garlic plant every week and one solid manure to your plant every 1 month, then your plant will grow very healthy. This plant actually takes 7 to 8 months to be fully mature. That's all. Bye bye.